Unix Unicode Database. This module provides access to the Unicode Character Database UCD, which defines character properties for all Unicode characters. The data contained in this database is compiled from the UCD version 15.0.0. What is this? The module uses the same names and symbols as defined by Unicode Standard Annex 44, Unicode Character Database. It defines the following functions. Unicode Character Database. Introduction, conformance, simple derived property. Okay. Unicode data.lookup name. Unicode data.lookup name. Look up character by name. If a character with a given name is found, return the corresponding character. If not found, key error is raised. Unicode data.name. CHR in bracket comma default. Return the name assigned to the character CHR as a string. If no name is defined, default is returned, or if not given, value error is raised. Unicode.decimal CHR comma default returns the decimal value assigned to the character CHR as integer. If no such value is defined, default is returned, or if not given, value error is raised. Unicode data.digit CHR default returns the digit value assigned to the character CHR as an integer. If no such value is defined, default is returned, or if not given, value error is raised. Unicode data.numeric CHR comma default returns the numeric value assigned to the character CHR as float. If no such value is defined, default is returned, or if not given, value error is read. Unicode data.category CHR returns the general category assigned to the character CHR as a string. Unicode data.bidirectional CHR returns the bidirectional class assigned to the character CHR as a string. If no such value is defined, an empty string is returned. Unicode data.combining CHR returns the canonical combining class assigned to the character CHR as integer. Returns true. Returns true. Returns 0 if combining class is defined. Unicode data.East Asian width CHR returns the East Asian width assigned to the character CHR as a string. Unicode data.mirrored CHR returns the mirrored property assigned to the character CHR as integer. Returns 1 if the character has been identified as a mirrored character in bidirectional text, 0 otherwise. Unicode data.decomposition CHR returns the character decomposition mapping assigned to the character CHR as string. An empty string is returned in case no such mappings is defined. Unicode data.normalize form Unicode string returns the normal form for the Unicode string UniStr. Valid values for form are NFC, NFKC, NFD, or NFKD. The Unicode standard defines various normalization forms of a Unicode string. Based on the definition of canonical equivalence and compatibility equivalence in Unicode, several characters can be expressed in various ways. For example, the character U plus 00C7 Latin capital letter C with cedilla can be expressed as the sequence U plus 0043 Latin capital letter C U plus 032 combining cedilla. For each character, there are two normal forms, normal form C and normal form D. Normal form D and FD is also known as canonical decomposition. and translates each character into its decomposed form. Normal form C NFC first applies a canonical decomposition, then composes precompiled characters again. In addition to these two forms, there are two additional normal forms based on compatibility equivalence. In Unicode, each certain characters are supported which normally would be unified with other characters. For example, U plus 2160 uh, Roman numeral 1 is really the same thing as U plus 0049 Latin capital letter I. However, it is supported in Unicode for compatibility with existing character sets. Example GB23212. The normal form KD NFKD will apply the compatibility decomposition. Replace all compatibility characters with their equivalents. The normal form KC NFKC first applies the compatibility decomposition followed by the canonical composition. Even if two Unicode strings are normalized and look the same as to a human reader, if one has combining characters and the other doesn't, they may not compare equal. Unicode data dot is normalized form UniStr. Return whether the Unicode string UniStr is in the normal form. Valid values for form are NFC, NFKC, NFD, NFKD. In addition, the module exposes the following constant: Unicode data dot unidata underscore version. The version of the Unicode database used in this module. Unicode data dot UCD 320. This is an object that has the same methods as the entire module but uses the Unicode database version 3.2 for applications that require this specific version of the Unicode database, such as IDNA. Examples: import Unicode data lookup. Unicode data example. Import Unicode data dot lookup. Print Unicode data dot lookup left curly bracket. Yes, that is the Unicode version. Unicode data dot name slash. Print Unicode data dot name slash solidus. Unicode data dot decimal 9. Print Unicode data dot decimal 9. Unicode data dot decimal A. This will raise an error because A is not a decimal. Unicode data dot category A. Print Unicode data dot category A. LU. Unicode data dot bidirectional Arabic n number. Unicode data dot bidirectional. Print x/u006 n. Footnotes: www.unicode.org public 15.0.0 UCD named alias list. www.unicode.pub/public dip 15.00 UCD name sequences tag. Thank you.